All right, the purpose of this video is to just give a brief overview of some of the highlights of constant velocity or speed activity we do using the dune buggies. It's going to have you should follow the instructions very, very, very carefully. You'll be held accountable to the instructions. But one thing I want to point out is make sure to note that it says to get a faster car and a slower car. Make sure to note which ones they are. So the blue ones are normally slower. Make sure that you know number 4 or some kind of, if there's nothing on it, let me know and we can we'll write a number on it or something. You need to be able to find this car, the next class, if you don't finish gathering all of your data. Likewise with the faster car, which is red, you're going to want to note something so you can find this exact car, and hopefully it will be doing about this, it'll be traveling at about the same speed, because you use the same car, you're supposed to use the same car in parts 1 and then in parts 2, hopefully it would be the same car. Your data will be a little bit better. Another thing to point out, when you get to part 2, be really careful not to go down a road of spending forever gathering this data. There is a fairly quick way to gather this data. If you can't figure it out, let me know, but I'd like for you all to try to figure out an efficient mechanism to gather this data. This should not take a super, super, super long time of running tons and tons and tons of trials. And then finally, when you do make your graph, it seems a little bit confusing from the directions I've noticed. You're not making a ton of different graphs. There's going to be one graph with all of your different data sets on it. I have another video that shows you a little bit more about the specific graph. But thanks, hope that helps, and good luck.